Generative AI and autonomous AI agents. What if you woke up tomorrow and your job had already been done for you while you slept? That's not a fantasy. It's already starting. In 2025, the tools you use every day stopped just answering you and started acting for you. Autonomous AI agents now research, trade, book, and manage entire workflows without a single tap from you. Over $2 billion flooded into this technology in 1 year alone. Not because it's exciting, because it's inevitable. By 2050, an AI could be running your finances while you're asleep, negotiating your bills before you wake up, handling angry customers before you've even seen the message. This isn't an upgrade to your job. It's the end of the version of it you know today. Major companies have already laid off thousands specifically because of this shift, and at the same time, they're desperately hiring people who understand how to build with it. That contradiction isn't a mistake. It's the new reality you're about to live inside. If your role is built on repetition, the countdown has already started. But if you learn to command AI instead of fear it, you won't just survive this shift, you'll dominate it. The people who win the next 30 years won't be the smartest in the room. They'll be the ones who learn to work with the machine instead of against it. 2. Autonomous vehicles and flying cars. How many hours of your life have you already lost sitting in traffic? By 2050, that frustration could be gone for good. Self-driving cars have already logged over 7 million driverless miles. One robo-taxi fleet alone has completed more than 5 million autonomous rides. No human hands on the wheel. This market is projected to explode to $1.8 trillion by 2035. By 2050, this won't feel futuristic. It'll feel boring, normal, expected, and it won't stop on the ground. Flying taxis have already flown over live crowds at major global events. Regulators are approving real flight tests for electric aircraft right now, with more than 350 prototypes already built worldwide. Picture this. You walk outside. A vehicle lifts silently off your street, and you soar directly over the gridlock that used to steal your mornings, your patience, your life. The commute that once stole an hour of your day could shrink down to minutes. 3. Smart homes and AI-powered living spaces. What if your own house understood you better than the people around you? By 2050, your home won't wait to be told what you need. It'll already know. The lights shift, the temperature adjusts, the music changes, all triggered by a mood you never had to explain out loud. You'll speak a single word, and a hologram TV will materialize in front of you. No remote, no searching. You'll open your fridge and it will already be full because it restocked itself before you ever noticed it was empty. No more running out of milk at the worst possible moment. This isn't a smart home anymore. It's a home that fights for your comfort every second of every day, learning your patterns better each day than you consciously notice them yourself. 4. Wearable health and longevity tech. What if your body could scream a warning at you months before disease ever had the chance to take hold? You already wear something counting your steps, but by 2050, that same wrist could be tracking the future of your entire biology. Smart rings are already delivering pregnancy insights, and menopause data doctors can act on today. Scientists are testing sensors that detect mental fatigue before you're even aware something is wrong. Technology already being trialed for pilots and operators, where a single lapse in focus can cost lives. This is the difference between finding out too late and finding out in time. Your wearable stops being a fitness gadget. It becomes your early warning system, your second chance, your extra years, with personalized data built entirely around your own biology, updated every single day. 5. The metaverse and full virtual reality. What if you could stand next to your family on the other side of the world without ever stepping on a plane? By 2050, you could put on a headset and be transported into a fully immersive version of your dream destination. Walking, talking, shopping, existing there, all from a chair in your living room. But ask yourself this now, before it happens, every time you choose that headset over the front door, what are you actually choosing? The more connected you become to that world, the more distant you might grow from the one standing right in front of you. By 2050, you'll be asked this question every single day, and the answer you give will shape exactly how connected, or how isolated, your life quietly becomes. The technology promising to bring you closer to everyone, everywhere, could be the same technology that quietly empties the room you're actually sitting in. 6. Quantum computing. You will probably never touch a quantum computer with your own hands, but it will touch every single day of your life. In 2025, engineers shattered the 1,000 qubit barrier. Others pushed fault-tolerant computing past 30 logical qubits. These machines are aimed directly at curing disease faster, protecting your data harder, and moving your packages quicker than ever before. So when your diagnosis comes back faster than it should, when your bank account is suddenly impossible to hack, when your delivery arrives a full day early, that's not luck, that's quantum computing, working in total silence behind every part of your life, restructuring entire industries you'll never even see. New medicines discovered in months instead of decades. Encryption rebuilt from the ground up. Shortages that become rare stories from the past instead of everyday frustrations. 7. Nanobots and brain-computer interfaces. What if you never had to reach for your phone again because the answer was already inside your head? Researchers are building nanobots designed to merge directly with the human brain, linking your thoughts to digital systems in real time. No typing, no searching. You think the question, and the answer is simply there, instantly. Now brace yourself for the part that should genuinely unsettle you. Some scientists believe this same technology could let you transfer your own memories onto external storage, which means the thing that makes you you, your thoughts, your identity, your entire inner world, could outlive your physical body. This is not science fiction. It's active research happening in labs right now while you read this sentence. Get it wrong, and the risks are enormous. Get it right, and it could be the biggest leap in human capability since the invention of language itself. 8. 3. Deprinted organs and bioprinting. What if the wait for a life-saving organ simply stopped existing forever? Right now, over 100,000 people in the US alone are trapped on transplant waiting lists. Thousands die every single year before an organ ever reaches them. That's not a statistic on a screen. That's someone's mother, someone's child, someone running out of time. Labs have already printed functioning heart, kidney, and skin tissue. 3D printed cartilage has already saved real patients in real surgeries. By 2050, the goal isn't a shorter waiting list. It's no waiting list at all. Organs printed the moment you need them, built exactly for your body, with zero delay, standing between you and staying alive. Picture a hospital where "we don't have a match" is no longer a sentence anyone has to hear. Where a failing organ is treated the same way a broken part in a machine is treated, replaced, restored, and life simply continues. 9. Structural battery composites. What if the very thing carrying you forward was the same thing powering you? That's the promise here. Your car's battery stops being something it carries and becomes something it is. Structural battery composites build energy storage directly into the frame of your vehicle, giving you dramatically longer range with zero extra weight holding you back. Prototypes have already survived over 1,000 charge cycles while staying strong enough to replace aluminum entirely. Major automakers and aerospace companies are piloting this right now. By 2050, the car you drive, or the plane you fly, could go dramatically farther because the battery stopped being dead weight and became the structure keeping you moving. Range anxiety, the thing that quietly held back an entire generation from going fully electric, could simply disappear. 10. Nanozymes. You've probably never heard this word in your life, but it might be the reason your life gets longer. Nanozymes are artificial enzymes built to move faster and smarter than the ones already inside your body. Right now, they're being tested to catch cancer earlier than any method before them, and to clean up the oil spills and heavy metals quietly poisoning the world around you. By 2050, you will likely never see a nanozyme. You'll never think about one. But somewhere, in a lab or in your own bloodstream, it could already be standing between you and a disease you never even knew was coming, silently doing the one job that matters most without you ever needing to know it was there at all.